Okay, Monday afternoon, sun is shining. Time for a ride on our Arctic Cat four-wheeler that does pretty much everything. The boys are in the trailer in the back. Woo, woo, woo! Should we go for a ride?
Come on, baby.
You got it. All right, I'm going for a ride. Woohoo! Howdy, neighbors! Dad! Sprayed the fields today. It smells absolutely disgusting around here right now. That's okay. We'll survive. Wife's working on our vegetable patch, and it's all good. Later.